This is a luxury cruise ship capable of carrying 7,000 people. Beneath the deck, its heart consists of two 14-cylinder diesel engines, producing more than 8,000 horsepower. Behind the engine room, three additional cloned engines are hidden, but they aren't used to directly propel the ship. Instead, they power generators, producing enough electricity to supply an entire town. Electricity flows throughout the ship, driving two massive electric motors housed in pods beneath the stern. Each pod weighs more than a truck and powers the huge propellers that push the ship forward. These pods can rotate 360 degrees, allowing the stern to move in any direction. Below the waterline at the bow, there are three more propellers. They draw water into the front of the ship, enabling it to move sideways. The captain can also adjust the propeller blade angles for precise control of thrust, allowing the cruise ship to maneuver smoothly in tight ports. This is the beauty of large-scale engineering. If you enjoy impressive mechanical documentaries, I highly recommend downloading the Douyin Select app. It's a new high-quality video platform launched by Douyin, featuring algorithm-curated premium content. Its documentary section includes a huge library of high-quality films available in full HD. If you're interested, tap the bottom left corner to download. On each side of the ship, there are 20 lifeboats, each about the size of a bus, holding up to 300 people. Powerful davits can lift three fully loaded lifeboats at once and lower them to the sea in under 30 seconds. Each side of the ship also has two vertical evacuation towers that transport passengers to inflatable life rafts. Each raft holds over 100 people. Altogether, these systems ensure that thousands of people can evacuate the ship in an orderly manner. Below the waterline in the center of the ship, an intake pipe allows seawater to enter the vessel. Powerful pumps draw the water into a large steam chamber where the salty seawater is boiled and the resulting fresh water is collected. A separate filtration system forces seawater through pipes as long as a car, containing molecular filters the size of 20 tennis courts. These filters remove the salt from the water. Together, these systems ensure the ship has an endless supply of fresh water, even with 7,000 people on board.